Hello there! Today I will be demonstrating an elephant toothpaste experiment. First, I will be showing which ingredients are necessary to create elephant toothpaste.
The basic ingredients for elephant toothpaste are yeast, hydrogen peroxide, hot water and dishwasher soap. My independent variable, which is something that you want to change in your experiment, is my amount of hydrogen peroxide and dishwasher soap. I am doing this experiment in two parts.
First, I am gonna change the amount of dishwasher soap which you are gonna see here. As you can see, this didn't make any difference of height which I am measuring. You'll probably think, how can this happen if there is more dishwashing soap? Well, let's move on to the hydrogen peroxide first before you can take a conclusion. My research question was which element, dishwasher soap or hydrogen peroxide, would create the highest rise of the elephant toothpaste, but from my experiment I found out that both elements produced the same result. When I was looking back at my evidence, I saw a clear difference in the hydrogen peroxide and dishwashing soap by the thin or thickness of the two elements. If I would take that as my new research question, I would conclude that the more dishwashing soap in the mixture leads to an increase of thickness, which I demonstrated in my experiment. Therefore, my new research question is which chemical would create a thicker result. Well, you are probably wanting to how got to these results. In the first phase of my experiment, I researched the amount of valence electrons each chemical had in an element. There I saw that hydrogen peroxide had 0 valence electrons. And also saw that dishwasher soap had a valence electron caused by the element /, which causes something, in this case elephant toothpaste, to foam more. The hydrogen would be overruled by the dishwashing soap, which didn't cause it to rise that much I had thought. My theory is that one of the two chemicals can't make an effect on its own, which is also what occurred when my independent variable was hydrogen peroxide. Another theory I have is that if I would make yeast my independent variable, then I could have maybe risen higher. Yeast causes a chemical reaction which activates the hydrogen peroxide and dishwashing soap.